Good morning, students. Welcome back to our English classes. Let us continue our lesson for bird migration. Page 44, last paragraph. Birds migrate for many reasons and may have their instinct to find their way home. They are the champions among all migrating animals. The Arctic terns are the champions among the birds. These travel an average of 22,000 miles a year. During its flight, the terns nest at different places and takes about 20 weeks to make its trip down to Antarctic region. Its average speed is 1000 miles a week. Most land birds make short hops during their migration. The American golden plover is an exception. It makes a long non-stop flight and can fly a distance of about 2,400 miles over water without food and stopping. Birds do not actually begin their migration the same day every year. For instance, the famous swallows of California are supposed to leave on October 23rd and return on March 19th. But their dates of departure and return have been found to be varying year to year. Birds migrate for satisfying their needs as human beings do. Children, in last class we learned the different reasons for bird migration. And not only birds, human beings and all the animals migrate to one place to another for different reasons. But birds are the champions among all migrating animals. And among these birds, Arctic terns are the champions among the migrating birds. Why? These travel an average of 22,000 miles a year. But in recent studies, they found out that they travel more than this. They are the tiny birds, weigh about 100 grams. But these small birds have one of the longest annual migration of any animal on earth. Every year, Arctic terns migrate from the Arctic Circle to Antarctic Circle. It takes an average of 20 weeks. And during this flight, the terns nest at different places. The another example for migrating bird is American golden plover. The speciality of this bird is it makes a long non-stop flight. They fly continuously and they can fly a distance of about 2,400 miles over water without food or stopping. Even these are very tiny. Another fact is that the dates of departure and the return have been found been varying from year to year. Example is given in your textbook, Swallows of California. With this, I'll end the lesson. Children, what did you learn from this lesson? The amazing facts about the birds. Even though these are tiny birds, they have the lots of strength. They are the champion among all migrating birds. They add beauty to nature. Even they are the environment's best friend. So let's be curious to know more about these birds. Thanks for watching.